In this video, I will show you how to get back archived posts on Instagram. Now, you go to your profile icon and then choose your post that you want to archive like this. You just have to click on these three dots on the upper corner and then click on archive. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to go back and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Scroll down and tap on archive. Now you just have to click on the post that you've archived and then click on these three dots and then tap on show on profile. Now if you click on this, you will be able to see this post again on your profile page and people will also see and interact with it again. So you just have to click on show on profile and then go back. Now you just have to refresh your Instagram account like this, or you can just exit Instagram overall. So let's go back to Instagram and see if it's back. So it's right here. You can already see that the archive post is back. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.